Yeah. You're 1 year old today.
Oh, awesome.
Babe.
I'm going back in with mom.
Come on, hurry on, get out here.
Babe.
Now we gotta sing.
That's a
Start
beautiful
singing.
smile.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Charles.
Happy birthday to you.
You. Make a wish.
Look like a monkey.
I know what he's wishing for too. Because Taylor said she ain't ever having sex again.
Why are you gonna have 5 kids
After
then?
school.
I don't know.
Yeah. I know what your wish was,
You
Chuck.
okay?
It was like actually melting.
That didn't hurt you, did it, Chuck?
Yes. Yes.
It's a good thing Charlie was out here because she really got entertained in that. Look at her little princess.
Well, she had to be in the video.
Isn't her beautiful? She looks like her grandma's. I love how she sleeps like that.
I know.
Trevor.
That dollar candy?
Trevor.
Do what?
It's
Your
what?
candle.
It's supposed to melt.
Never seen a candy melt that fast.
All those candles.
Babe.
Birthday candles do, yeah, they go quick.
Told you you'd have a second birthday day.
Half the time, if you got like lots of them on there, by the time you get them all lit, the first
She
ones
was
are
ticked at me
This
yesterday,
morning,
let
she
me
said,
tell you.
"Happy second birthday."
little pink ones and blue
Yeah,
ones.
that's not huge.
Man,
Yeah,
them
she
things
was
go
mad at me.
fast.
Oh yeah. 'cause
What
you
are
put
you
'em on
doing?
there. They were like that.
Carry it over there.
You got a coating of wax
Please?
on top of your cake.
Yeah, yeah.
Trev,
What?
that thing
When I was a
isn't.
kid, I used to like to get the frosting with wax on it.
You should have got those trick candles for you.
Trick candy.
I looked
Ones
for
that don't
them.
blow out. You keep
They
blowing
blow
out.
out and they keep relighting.
That would have been awesome.
I
You
wouldn't
got
put
an
down
electric
that.
one? I got a,
Yeah, electric one.
yeah, what's the name? Tex, Traxxas. Yeah, I got a Traxxas at the house. Little,
This is a team associated.
What was your other one?
They're trash.
You're trash.
those little suckers go pretty
Laptop.
good.
Was
Yeah.
it trash?
I like the electric ones better because I bought my electric one for my kids.
Yeah.
They all moved away, but I still got it. Christian was after me.
Yeah, fix it.
Christian would have taken it and ruined it.
Yeah. Well,
What's your-
there's nothing really wrong with it.
This is the beautiful mama.
I gotta, wait, I gotta show them your nose ring.
Get out
On
of
the
here. That was my 40th birthday present. A couple months late.
Out of the back
Yes,
of
I
the
did. I did.
Why don't you bring the knife out here, Mom? Be easier. wouldn't
And
it?
you get new motors for them anyway. I mean,
You can cut it
motors aren't that bad.
I can't cut cake.
Those
Love
are
you.
a lot better than them freaking like Walmart. Who's crappy.
This is
Like.
$300.
Yeah, mine was like $250. It's not a truck. It's not a car. It's like in between, kind of like
It's like a bump.
yeah, like a bus.